Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some lovely veg. In fact, I am going to actually prepare moong dhal. It is called moong dal.
Or mug.
Okay, I actually picked and washed and soaked a cup of the moong dal overnight, and this morning I picked up the ones that were soaked, and what you can see on top is those ones that actually didn't soak very well, because you always get some not soaked. So I actually boiled that ones that did not soak. And then I've got three medium size of potatoes, of which I deep fried it with the coloring, because the reason being potatoes don't cook very well, and we would like to have the potatoes getting soft in our dal. For braising, I have one small onion sliced finely, and curry leaf, 2 sticks of cinnamon stick, and I have thyme and a teaspoon of ginger garlic. For the masala, I have a tablespoon of mixed masala, and I'm using a teaspoon of hurdee to give it a brighter color, and salt to taste, a teaspoon of salt, but you can add salt per your taste. And then I also have 3 small tomatoes grated, and for the braising, I've got half a cup of oil. Okay, here's my saucepan on moderate heat. I'm first going to add in my oil, and then I'll put in my onions. Allow the onions to fry out. You can actually make very lovely moong dal samosas, moong dal roti. And it actually goes very well with the brinjal. It's like you having brinjal with gram dal. Because why we're using potato, we want it like to finish off a thick gravy and not a dry finish. Now we're gonna put in our bay leaf our cinnamon stick to fry out, and our curry leaf. And then my dry thyme and my ginger garlic. Allow this to fry. Now I'm going to use in my masala and my hurdee. Just another 2-minute fry. And throw in my moong dal. I'll give it a stir and allow it to fry for a few minutes. Okay, you can see how nice the dal is frying. It's actually coated very well with the masala, and it did take 15 minutes to actually come to this state. It looked nice and fried. Then I'm going to add in my salt, but you can add salt per your taste. And then goes using my potatoes. And my tomatoes, and then I'm going to decrease my heat. Now I'm going to decrease my heat and allow the tomatoes to cook within and let the flavors seep in, and thereafter I will add maybe a cup of water to give it a thick gravy finish. Okay, 15 minutes has passed and you can see how nice the curry has fried out and it's not oily. Okay, to this point I'm going to add in a cup of boiled water for making it into a little bit of gravy look. And allow it to boil maybe for 5 minutes, and actually the curry is done. This was one quick and simple recipe for a fasting day, and it's quite healthy food. You can even prepare your biryani dal curry in this way too. If you don't have much of veggies and thinking what's to be done on a Tuesday or a Thursday, you can create your own foods with these seeds. Okay, 15 minutes has passed us, and see how lovely the curry is. In fact, I did add an additional cup of water and additional half a teaspoon of salt, because the 1 cup water made it sort of very dry. So this is the 2nd cup of water, gave it a thick gravy. But if you feel your gravy is not getting very thick, you see these potatoes that you have, you can smash up a potato and then it actually thicken up the gravy. But our curry is looking nice and thick, so I'm going to finish it off by garnishing with some fresh Dhania, and then we are ready to serve out for lunch. There you go, your moong dal curry with some melty moments, potatoes with thick gravy. And today I made a different type of a roti, sort of very rich roti. It's my 3-corner roti. In fact, you can pick up these layers. You can see, you can pick up the layers of 3. Because why I made rich roti today? Because the curry is simple, but it's quite delicious. So something simple with something rich, it equals. And thereafter, you'll remember the pickle, veg pickle that I made some time back. So today we are actually going to have it with our meal. Thank you all for watching, and happy winter's fattening.